Hey there, I'm Mark Lewis. I'm an enrolled agent, which just means that I've got the highest tax credential the IRS awards, and I can help people in all 50 states. I help business owners who are making good money, but are tired of getting wrecked by taxes and lawsuits and bad advice. Now let me ask you something. Did you know that how your company is set up could be the difference between paying 20% or 50% in taxes? Yeah, every year. The guy in H&R Block or Liberty Tax isn't going to tell you that, and most CPAs won't either. Why? Because they don't know how to get you down to 20% tax. They're trained to count beans, not help you keep them. That's why they're certified public accountants. But I do. And let's start with the basics. Whatever company you have, if you have just one, you're automatically paying way too much in tax and are probably really exposed to lawsuits. And trusts? Well, everybody thinks a trust will protect you, but most of them don't. And here's the truth. There is no one perfect company or trust setup, but a couple of entities set up the right way, that changes everything. And we use a simple combo, an LLC and a C Corp put together. One takes the risk, the other holds the assets and pays the taxes. Set up right, this structure cuts your taxes and discourages lawsuits and makes sure your kids get your stuff without the government sticking their little hot fingers in them. We build that for people like you, entrepreneurs, influencers, creators who are doing well and want to keep what they've built. We work with you in group settings or one-on-one, whatever works best for you. It's easier than you think, and it'll change the way you look at money forever, and certainly how you keep it. Reach out, book a time to chat, and I'll show you how much you're leaving on the table and how to keep it in your coffers. I look forward to meeting you, and until then, be wealthy.